Making of our bird cage. Let's see how we made our bird aviary. This is the plan of our bird cage. This is the measurement of the cage. We planning to build the bird cage in this place. Then we started to make the bird aviary. This is the first step. Foundation work is done. We kept this for 1 day to dry. According to the measurements, the welding materials are arranged. Then we fixed the 3 sides of the cage. Making the roof. Fixing the roof. Painting the cage. Then we fixed the branches and decorated the interior of the cage. Finally, this is how our bird cage looked like. According to the measurements, the aviary is done. Another view of the aviary. We made this aviary 4 years back. To watch more videos on progress of our aviary, stay tuned with us. To watch the releasing the birds to our new aviary, please subscribe and like our channel.